In today's episode we are going to work again on the Panigale V2 Street. In the first episode we removed the old exhaust and all of the fairings. If you didn't watch that, go and watch the first episode. And today we are going to build a very special Termignoni exhaust on this beautiful bike. The first thing you will notice is the very special gold wheels. They were originally black and we painted them the same color as my race bikes. This street bike is going to be a replica of my old race bike for the street. Let's get dirty! Ooh. It's always important to check if the oil is clean, nothing inside. Also, we are going to replace the oil filter. To remove the cap, we are going to install the M8 bolt. So left and right, the same level. And we are going to replace this part as well. So this is the new one, obviously. This is the old one. And then with the hole in the back and a close in the front, like this. Now it's in place. I have a hate-love affair with this thing. Put on the bolt on the other side, fill up the oil, wait a night, start the engine to see how the level is. You can see it's a dirty job. I messed a little bit. We are going to clean up. So this is a special tool. It's magic. Yes. It's open. We start with 2 liter. It's like you have a very delicious tea. This very special Termignoni is going to go on my nail. This is a full titanium special exhaust from Termignoni. Papaya! Now it should be all, yeah. A little bit cleaning. Fast forward 2 weeks, we decided to paint all the carbon parts in a matte finish to match all the original Ducati performance parts on the bike. It's a little puzzle. It's important to degrease all the titanium pipes because you don't want any fingerprints on the exhaust. This is the first piece of pipe is going on the bike for the new exhaust. It's good that I have tiny hands. The second pipe. Ooh. Now we are going to mount the spring. Going under. And it fits like a glove. Some parts are very difficult to mount, so I have a good help with my mechanic. Now this beautiful part is going on the bike with the Termignoni. You need to wiggle. You need muscles for this, right? I can choose between this silencer or this one. I will choose this one because it's for the special race department. Nice shape and it's more lightweight. This is heavier, bigger, more silence. So beautiful. Almost finished. So curious for the sound. Race use only. We removed the old Termignoni sticker because we have painted this in a matte finish. I think it's straight. Oh, come on. Carbona. This is the tool to load the mapping for the exhaust. Procedure completed successfully, so now it's time to start the bike. It was only 4,000 RPM. What a sound, beautiful. But I don't know if the police will like me on the street with this exhaust. So now it's time to put back on the fairings. The last piece of fairing is going on the bike. And then it's all finished. I finally get my first bike back. No, just kidding. These are my old fairings from my previous race bike, completely on my street bike, with the full titanium race exhaust from Termignoni. We are going to show it outside. Let's go. I'm just back from a little trip with my new livery and the completely new Termignoni full titanium race exhaust. Wow, what a sound! So beautiful, so Italian, only love. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!